Welcome back to Neetha's Indulgences. In today's episode, I'll be sharing 2 easy recipes that will be perfect for your next get-together. One is a crispy and crunchy dish and the other is a cheesy and gooey snack. Perfect for any parties. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. Our first dish is Kerala Nadan Fry. Spicy, crunchy and crispy chicken. To make this, you will need 450 grams of chicken breast, corn flour, maida, hot and sweet chili sauce, ginger garlic paste, pepper, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric, salt, chicken masala, egg, sriracha sauce, optional, green chili and curry leaves. I'm adding in 450 grams of chicken breast which I've cut into thin strips. 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of hot and sweet sauce, salt, sriracha sauce. This is purely optional, but this gives a very good flavor. 1 egg. Let's mix the chicken really well. Let's marinate the chicken for an hour or so. The more you marinate, the better it is. A delicious chicken has been marinating for the last 2 hours. Now time to fry these babies. We are adding in coconut oil. This is a Nadan dish. Time to add our chicken strips. Time to turn the chicken pieces. Time to take out our chicken from the pan. Our chicken is ready now. I've fried it. I'm transferring it to a bowl. Our Kerala chicken fry is ready. Now what I'm going to do is, in the same oil, I'm going to fry green chili and curry leaves. And this is going to be a wonderful garnish. Be very careful when you're frying the green chili and curry leaves because the seeds are going to splutter. Lovely. Our second dish is egg and cheese sliders, a cheesy, delicious bite. Let's check out the ingredients now. 3 mini buns, boiled egg, grated cabbage, thinly sliced carrot, cheese slice, salt, pepper, mayonnaise. I boiled 3 eggs. Now time to peel the eggshells. Let's slice the boiled egg now. For the egg and cheese sliders, let's make a nice, lovely, creamy spread. Add 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of cabbage, half a cup of mayo, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. Adjust your seasoning as per your liking. Give this a good mix. I've added a tablespoon of milk just to make it a little more creamy. So there you have it, our lovely carrot and cabbage mixture. Let's cut the buns now. Time to add this delicious, creamy mayo mixture. So pretty looking egg and cheese sliders are ready. Now what I'm going to do is lightly toast the pan and place them on the pan and then apply butter on it. Okay, let's drizzle some butter, melted butter onto the pan. Let's brush the mini sliders with some melted butter. Our delicious mini sliders are ready to be savored. Let's try the egg and cheese sliders. So creamy. Your kids are going to love this. Let's try the Nadan Chicken Fry. Crispy and crunchy. And that's it for today. Today we have made a Kerala chicken fry that's spicy and will definitely be a hit in your next party. And of course the cheesy sliders, warm, gooey and perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to hit that like button and do comment if you want to see more such tasty ideas. Until next episode, take care. Bye-bye.